What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new speaker, and today we're going to be taking a look at another Anker speaker, guys. This one's going to be the Anker SoundCore. It's another SoundCore, but this is the Flare version with full 360 sound. I can't wait to buzz this open and see what we got here. But first off, let's take a look at the box. So you see the picture right here, just to give you a look of how the speaker is. It is an ambient speaker, so we should see some lights coming off of this, which would be pretty cool. So we got the bass up, so bass should be pretty good. We got the LED. It is IPX7, so I'm guessing it's waterproof, so you might be able to take this out to the beach and whatnot. 12-hour battery life, which is crazy. Left and right sound effects. You get that lovely stereo. To this side, they show you a little glimpse of the underneath of the speaker with the multicolor ambient light. That's pretty dope. And to the back here, it just gives you a little bit more on the features of it. And of course, you can download the SoundCore app, which we will do in this video. I haven't done it in the past video. And then the box, you get your basic stuff, the actual speaker with a USB cable, and of course, all the reading material for you to get started on the speaker. And that's pretty much the box, guys. I'm gonna dig into this. Let me grab my little Swiss Army blade right here. Bam, we're just gonna rip the sides. So I've been loving the Anker speaker so far. I think we've done 3 so far on the channel, and they all sound really great. And I definitely recommend the Anker speakers to anybody who's looking to buy some speakers. But let's see how this one stack up and what makes this different from the other Anker speakers. So we got the plastic off. Do we need to cut anything else? I don't think we need to. Maybe not. Okay, no, it just slides out like that. Alrighty, gonna pop this section open like this. Okay, it wants to give us a hard time, but we'll get there. We go. Bam. So this is the front. Got a little black piece of cardboard right here. Pop this out. Is there anything in here? Yep, you get your ever so famous Anker black micro USB charging cable. All the reading material you guys need to get started with your speaker, and of course the actual SoundCore Flare. Nothing else in the box. Let's put that to the side. Let's carefully take off the bottom. Once again, I'm a big fan of packaging, so I'm gonna take my time and just peel this off nice and as nicely as I can, at least. Or we're just gonna cut it open. There we go. Bang, guys, and that is the speaker. Now it's a little bit smaller than I thought it was going to be, at least when I saw it on Amazon. And it's not bad though. The material feels nice. It doesn't feel too cheap, just like the other speakers. It has a good weight to it. Makes it feel a little bit premium, and yeah, so we got this jeans looking material all around the speaker, which, you know, 360 sound, you're gonna need something good. To the top here, this is our controls. So you have obviously the play button, volume down, volume up. We do get an ambient control, which is nice. So you can, you know, I guess if you're bright in the sunlight, you really don't need the ambient light, so you can always turn that off. And we have the bass control, which we will find out what the difference is between the bass and non-bass. And oh, I think to the back here you have your outlets. There we go. So you have your aux cord if you don't want to run Bluetooth. You do have your micro USB, power button, Bluetooth button, and that's pretty much everything around the speaker. Let me go ahead, grab my whatever device I have near me, and we'll pair this thing up. Alrighty, so I went ahead and grabbed my tablet right here. Sorry for the little effect right there. You know how it goes when you're recording a screen. But there it is. We're gonna power this bad boy on from the rear. Let's hear what lovely sound it makes. Oh, that's a pretty funny cartoonier sound. And oh, everything is lit at the top. Bluetooth mode is activated. We're gonna scan right there. Let's see what comes up for the speaker. There you go. You got the SoundCore Flare popping up right there. Should connect pretty easy. Did it connect? It didn't. But let's hit it one more time. Come on. Oh, there we go. And finally we're a pair. Don't know why there's 2 versions of it, but it finally paired up. Let's take a look at the ambient light really quick. Do we have control of the color change? Let's hit the button. Yes, we do. Okay, so that's off. And then you could change the colors as as you see fit. I guess what color, that you want to have it light up as you play. So we're going to leave it on for now. We're going to head over to, non-copyright. Now, shout out to all the people that makes these songs, these non-copyright tracks. Whoever you are, thank you for making them. And why is my internet so slow, guys? It's a little bit slow. Oh, there it is. It loaded. We're going to go straight to non-copyright music. And we're just going to play something a little bit different. Audio library, non-copyright. This is from, I don't know who it's from, but let's try this one. Okay, this one sounds nice. I'm going to hit like on that one. Shout out to Audio Library, non-copyright. So we're halfway on the tablet. We're going to max out the speaker. Alright. Okay. Now you see why it has that bass button. The bass is a lot better in this than the other ones I've tried. Okay, we're gonna max it out now. So in case you guys didn't notice, I kind of hit the button right here to turn off the bass mode, and it got a little bit flatter, and then when you turn the bass back on, you can definitely hear that little depth and a little boof. So I'm going to do it one more time if you guys missed it the first time. So we're going to go max all the way up.
Right now, get 2 of these delicious McDonald's breakfast sandwiches for just $4. Mix and match the bacon, egg, and cheese McGriddle.
Execute the ad, guys.
Cheese biscuit, a deal that will make your morning routine a little better. Breakfast at McDonald's.
Alright, here we go. Now, this is a pretty famous one, so I'm gonna let you guys, rock out to this one. Maximum volume. So, I think the speaker is a good one, guys. Pretty good speaker, not that bad. Sounds just as good, if not a little bit better than all the previous Anker speaker I've unboxed on the video. On the channel. Purchase link as always will be in the description below in case you guys want to check it out. Definitely a thumbs up. If you like the video, hit the like button, share it if you think it's going to help someone who's looking to purchase a Bluetooth speaker. And as always guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.